Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a tutorial on how to put the ramp down for disabled people on Bus Simulator 18. So basically, I'm doing a voiceover. So what you have to do is have that second door closed. You don't have to have all the doors closed. Just have that second door closed, and then you have to put the parking brake on. And then you have to hold G down so that the ramp will come out. Once the ramp has hit the ground, you be sure that it's hit the ground, and then you open that second door again, and then the wheelchair guy will get inside the bus. And then, yeah, that's about it. And make sure you put the ramp up by holding G down, and yeah, that should do for you. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to leave a like and all that good stuff. See you later.